So, this is going to be our next little test candidate to see if we can get it all repaired. This is a Motorola 5R1, which I have the schematic to over there in that black folder. It's from the early 50s, I think, possibly even very late 40s. I don't think it's late 40s, though. I think it's more so like 51 or 52. It's before 53 because there's no still defense markings. It's got that cool Motorola logo up there. It's kind of a nice, stylish radio. I like it. It's got bakelite wood grain up there, which is kind of cool looking. I put a power cord on it, just kind of soldered one in. I also replaced some tubes that were bad. Other than that, I haven't really done much to this thing. It's kind of all there. The filter capacitor has been replaced. It is from 1967, 47th week. Probably thrown in there in 68 or so. So yeah, let's Motorola 5R1. See if it'll power up for us. This was set in by a family member. See if I can get it to work. The filter capacitor replacement was a dry electrolytic, so I'm assuming it's probably good, but I've seen them go kind of bad or a little bit wonky. So, anyways, look at that. It was like way over. It's not a very good needle, I don't think. That's not really the main attraction for this, though. I'm not going to bring it up slowly on the Variac. I'm just going to bring it up on the Variac. So then it's got a fuse. It's got those bad IF cans, though. Crappy. And it sounds like we have SMD. Hear that? Sounds like FM static a little bit. No, that's right where our station is. There's no activity. Maybe they need to cool down or something. Should set this thing outside. Squirrels would probably like put stuff in it or something. But if I learn how to do SMD, then this is a pretty good candidate because I want to see this thing work. I want to see how it performs. I've heard that older Motorola stuff is pretty nice. And this thing right here, this is what I use in my shop. And what is this thing worth? Like $30 now or something? The school is closed down for coronavirus until like early April something. But that could change to late April too. So we've got time to do some videos, which is a good thing. Turn that off. Yeah, we can do a few repairs around here if I can have the parts. Maybe I can somehow just kind of experiment to see if I can do SMD repairs. Speaking of repairs, we need a 6C4 tube for this thing. It would really help if this thing worked. I have it set for 455 kilocycles. Little notch there. I guess 455 would be there. But yeah, that would help a lot. I actually have a probe for it too. Somebody made a makeshift probe a very long time ago for that thing. I have it somewhere around here. So anyways, that'll do it with this little thing. It's just kind of your standard all-American 5-tube 50s style radio. It's got a interesting style to it with this checkered speaker grill that's bakelite. Never seen anything like that before. Kind of a 50s gimmick, probably. Neat little radio, I guess. Like I said, I'd like to see it fixed. Also, I want to try to make a cabinet for that. Of course, I don't want to throw away the old cabinet in case one that I that I want to make sucks. But it would be a fun project to make a cabinet for that out of wood or something. Probably wouldn't look too nice, but who cares? This thing was going in the dump. It was halfway to the dumpster, along with that wood air castle built thing over there, record player on it. And I saved them. They're probably better off in the dumpster. Oh well. Kind of a good beater radio, I guess. If you want to do some outside work, you can take it out there and don't mind if it gets accidentally like kicked or something, or if like it gets bumped. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, yeah, this would be nice to get repaired, so then I can use it with my stuff to align everything. Interesting little light repair that somebody did on there. Looks like there's an incandescent in there. I think it powers up, but no, it does not power up because it's missing the tube. 6C4, which I think generates the tone, the 400 hertz tone. Now I can't get that thing back on there. What the heck? You know, I'll deal with that later. I think that's what I've said with a lot of stuff around here. Anyways, yeah, that'll do it for this little radio. It was kind of interesting to see if it works or not. Look at that honking old power cord I put on there. And my parts bin. So yeah, thank you for watching.